Hi and welcome to my quaint cottage. It was beautiful yesterday and beautiful today, and it's supposed to be wonderful for the rest of the week, and I want to go in the garden. By beautiful, I mean above freezing. So you're looking at 40 degrees, 50 degrees. It's supposed to get to 60 degrees, so that will be lovely. The main thing that I want to get done is pull up all the rest of the dead plants that I didn't get out in the fall. It got so cold so fast, and I just didn't get out there fast enough and take care of it. So I'd like to do that today, as well as maybe get some pine chips into the walkways, get a jump on spring, that way we don't have to weed the walkways. So yeah, come on out, let's go check out what's going on in the garden. As you can see, we didn't do a very good job of cleaning up these beds this past fall, so I'm going to see if we can't work on that today. We're just going to take an hour or so and work out here. This area had more than a few inches of snow recently. It popped the screws out. It's completely bowed out. It bent the metal strips. So last spring we purchased 2-year-old composted bark mulch. It's very nice stuff, pretty inexpensive, nice and black. It's not dyed or anything, and we covered the whole base of our raised bed garden area with it, and then put the beds back in. Well, as you can see, it grows things pretty well, so doesn't necessarily make for a weed-free walk area. We just took down a huge pine tree. It was way too close to the house. It posed a threat to the house itself, and we didn't want to wait for it to come down to do something about it. So I think that is going to make a much better walkway area. And since it's such a beautiful day, I figured we could put some in the garden and get a jump on spring. You just cannot believe how warm it is. My boys don't even have coats on. And I'm honestly about to take my coat off. It's supposed to get to be 60 degrees today. Yesterday it was 50. And a couple days before that, it was about 8 degrees. So yeah, this is gonna be quite an interesting spring we're gonna have if we get through this winter, or when we get through this winter.
Well, those are too small.